I'm finally done with picking out my outfit. It takes so long getting ready. It's crazy. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna go to Shibuya and look for some fabric. We're also gonna post these 3 packages and I'm gonna try to find this exact fabric. I want to try to be more brave with filming a little bit more, so I'm going ahead to the post.
Looking around, nobody's with me, guess I'll move on ahead. Searching the ground, 'cause I've been here before, it's all inside my head. Is it not strange how we all find something wrong with each other?
Get some things for our store or our storage, our fridge, and I was thinking like maybe this one you can put ketchup and stuff underneath, or this she can put sauces and also bottles. I'm probably not gonna buy all of them, but we'll see which one I get. Today I am doing a little photo shoot with these. Anyways, here are the pieces. I think I showed you already, but this is for the September collection. This one is a new piece though that I haven't shown you. It's a shrug with a little rose. So I used to always take photos with the clothes on me, but I've been a little bit busy. This version of shrug is a little bit like shorter than usual. Usually I do like 15 centimeters here, and this time I did 10 plus the lace. Here's what it's gonna look like when I take photos, I think. Just gonna turn on the light as well. Just finished the socks and I'm gonna take some photos, or I'm gonna film for Instagram, because I got this package in the mail. It's my outfit. I'm kind of annoyed that my leg warmers don't match my socks, but whatever. This skirt that I just wear at home with the Edward Scissorhands tee, and this choker I got from the thrift store. I also just took photos of these because I got these as a PR package. I'm gonna make some content for them. I really love both of these, and the brand is called iReverie. I actually don't know how to pronounce it, but I hope that's correct. And this purple one I think is jewelry. This one is also a gift from a brand. I just filmed a little reel and I hope that turned out well. It's kind of hard to film, but here are all the pieces. I think I'm gonna do a kind of a haul. I'm gonna talk more about them later, but I really like them. Also, this package is from Candy Kiss Jewelry. Oh yeah, I forgot. Someone took my chair. But I'm going to sew this skirt later. There's a little bit of sunlight coming through. So I'm gonna take pictures of this top and also another hoodie. For the cami, I was thinking I should do these pants actually. They are flare jeans and I really like how they look. And then the hoodie. For the hoodie, I'm going to wear, I don't know, skirt. It's gonna be peeking out from underneath here, so here's what they look like. With a little bit of a flare. And then the hoodie. This one I got from Modakawa as a gift as well. I'm sweating a lot, but here is my outfit. I think it looks super cute. And I actually think I'm gonna keep these as well on. I did my hair like this. It kind of went wobbly here, but whatever. And now I'm gonna take photos. I think I got some great pictures for this hoodie, but I didn't really have time to shoot this one, and now it's already like pretty gloomy outside, so
The sun killed the bees. Too hard to sleep.
we're going up to the rooftop. It's so hot. Ja, den är jättefin. What? Like a pool. So pretty. Gosh. We're going to take photos here. It's still really hot outside.
The house was swallowed down as we tried to grasp at anything. I am alive.
We're now looking at a vintage shop. These prices are a little bit crazy, maybe. I'm buying these two, and now we're looking at socks. I really like these, but it only says the price for 3 pairs. They got these that look like Brandy Mellow socks, and I'm gonna get these. Good morning. I actually woke up at 6 today. Yesterday I woke up at like 10, which is really bad for me because I never wake up that late. I don't know why, but anyways, I've already taken a few pictures for Instagram and now we're gonna ship out 2 packages. I just made this little list of things that I need to finish, which is honestly a lot, so we'll start at the top and work our way down.
Soon, that men's physiology is going to be
On your calendar, day 14, fasting actually helps you with that.
okay. So
Time for a little lunch break. I just got this cream bread. Good morning. Let's get ready for our anniversary again.
너랑 나는 운명 너를 보고 싶어 꿈에 다시 와줘
나는 나의 운명, 꿈에 다시 와줘.
Girl, you're my energy use me up like a battery
I think I'm done with my makeup. I might like straighten my hair a little bit more because it flips out like this on my shoulders. I think I'm gonna try to do 2 ponytails and then braid them maybe, and then put this ribbon.